teach you how to enable ActiveX in Google Chrome. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Look for the address bar at the top of the window, and then go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the search area or by using the store link you normally use. Once the store loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct page where extensions are listed. This matters because the extension you need must be installed from the official Chrome Web Store to ensure it works properly and stays updated. Next, search for the extension called IE Tab. You will see a search field in the Chrome Web Store page. Type in IE Tab and press Enter. After the results appear, locate the extension by Blackfish Software. It should be clearly listed in the search results. Moreau, now click Add to Chrome. When you are ready, confirm by selecting Add Extension. After that, allow the installation to finish. Once the extension is installed, you should see an IE icon in your top right toolbar area. Click the IE icon to launch the IE tab inside Chrome. At this point, the page you are on will act as your ActiveX-friendly browsing area. With the IE tab open, you now need to enter the website address you want to use. In the IE tab window, find the address bar and then type the URL of the ActiveX Reliant website directly into that bar. Make sure you type the full web address accurately, including the correct domain and path if needed. After you enter the URL, proceed with loading the site. The website will open within that IE tab environment rather than in normal Chrome mode. That is all there is to it.